Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add game overlay on Discord. For that, you have to open Discord app first. Then you have to go to settings. After going to settings, you have to scroll down a little bit. Then you have to click on game overlay. In game overlay, you have to enable in-game overlay. For that, click on this cross icon. It will be turned into a right icon. I have inserted Shift plus G for my keybind. You can find many options here which are related to in-game overlay. You can also select the position where the overlay will be in a game, like top right corner, bottom right corner. Also, you can turn off from this option. So that's how you can enable a overlay in Discord. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel and also like and comment on this video. Thank you for watching.